Two, one, and let's go. You're live, right? Welcome back to another live stream, guys, and we are back again with live the video, and then right. So yeah, I found the opportunity another way, right? So we just yesterday's and yesterday we were trying to say that this, but before that, if get an opportunity trying to buy at this or this, but we have also discussed the same scenario. We have to go and mark the come to next time get some buying zone here. I will delete first this and green zone here first, right? And this already it's there, right? So they achieve. We're trying to buying scenario and we got some confirmation time frame. Let's just switch here. Notice the same thing here, right? This few side then came at retrace and then went up, saw the swing mission, and for the retracement again you got time to end it. But there was a catch here. Like I request trend was take this trade with the less quantity, but there was a chances target. There are high chances of this, right? Even if it doesn't go to this will obviously, right? So if you remember correctly, after the test, if you take entry, your stop loss is 10 point. This is going to be like your target, right? And target is right. So that was the trade for yesterday's, guys. And if you got a and good confidence in your trade, you might have got this trade very early, right? Fine, right. So this was the trade which worked, and as for here we didn't got clearly see there are no candles, there is no confirmation. It is it's just like uptrend and market just showing uptrend, 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 uptrend. And if you notice, I have like marked this as selling zone, these are the selling zone, but there was no action at price action, right? So I will delete both this, and let's just switch back to a kind of a time frame on a higher level, right? So usually if you see on a hourly time frame, you will notice market is falling, right? And if you notice, there was like this one a good retracement here, and then there was again big fall here. For this big fall, we are expecting some kind of a consolidation or a price correction, right? Those who remember, there was like two times time correction done in the 1 hour time frame, downfall, retrace, and consolidation, and then downfall again. This was the time correction. After the time correction, there was a quick fall two times, right? There was again one time correction again. If you see quick fall, a small consolidation, and quick fall, these quick falls are there in the market, and market was going in just one direction. Notice there was not even one time SL hunting or kind of a trap scenario, right? What market will do after these things, where you will I will be able to give you, and I will be able to show you the good thing right here. Let's just check this on this. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back with this sharp fall. That there is a sharp fall. Also, if you know those who sold at this, at this, at this, at this, at any of the swing here, they never got their SL hit. So there is a liquidity in the market. There was not even a single time the seller was afraid that market will go against. It was just riding the trend. See, it was just riding the trend. So at here and here, if they keep trailing SL at these levels, see, at this level, at this level, at this level, or at this level, till this level, there was not even a single chance of it here. He got almost like 200 points, almost like 270. Are you getting my point? So in order to quite fresh bar, in order to take SL of the previous people, what market will do? Market will hit these SL, market will hit this, it will hit SL, then it will go down, right? And those who know, it's a price correction on higher time frame. This is like a hourly time frame, and you will notice market is going up and up and up without any single rejection. Market was falling, there was, market was falling, there was red green combination. Market was falling, there was a consolidation. Market was falling, there was a time correction. Here fall, or let's say time correction. Here fall. Now this is called as the price correction, right? The reason why I'm saying, because it's a downtrend, and if market is going against, that means price correction. I'm not saying market will again reverse from here, but it's considered as a price correction. For this price correction, there will be some movement upside also. Here also you will get some buying momentum, but you have to make sure you don't go for, or don't trap for these scenarios. You take entry, put a sell, take target and exit. Don't go for bigger targets. If you want to go, then book your 75% quantity, 80% quantity, and the whole 20% quantity with the trailing SL. The same here. Those who shorted here and those who are booked, like they have booked target 100%, or you book like 50% quantity here and another 30% quantity here, you can keep trailing your next 20% quantity, and you will notice you will hit your trailing SL at here or here, obviously 100 for 100%, right? This is what happens, and now this looks like a price correction. We'll come back to our trade here. We'll go back to the start again to look for a positive. We'll go in our way, right? See, what is our way, right? So if, okay, fine, right? So this looks good to me, and I'm going to, okay, let's switch back to the daily time frame and start our analysis. So on daily time frame, previous candle is a heavy bullish. Looks like there are few things happen in the market. This was the support zone. It got broken down and it's look like a trap. It has retested the previous swing. It has like made a kind of a structure here. I will delete this, and let's just see for this swing low and this swing high, is this 0.5 or not, so that we'll also get to know whether this is a long correction or not, right? See, this is the bottom, this is the high, and I think we got 0.618 level correction, plus we got some trap also here. The same thing we have already explained in the latest scenario where we had a buy position, right? And when we had buy position, let's switch back to the 5-minute time frame. And for this momentum, those who remember, we have, but see, this is a trap. After this candle, red candle, there is engulfing candle, right? And this was at 0.5 0.618 level. This was the buying condition, and you got good setup here. Are you getting my point? You got good setup here, right? So this is how, actually this is the trap, guys. If you notice it, this was the trap. See, this was the trap here. I will explain you in short. Market wanted to take support from this. Market should go above and like go up from this level, right? But what market did? Market created a breakdown, then market broke the previous resistance, then market came back here again, tapped the same zone or retested the same zone. Yeah, it's a zone actually, not a level. And then it went up. That means this was total trap, right? Let's just see on higher time frame whether this was true or not, right? So I will be doing this. I will be marking this zone. Maybe probably we can say this trap only because this is the retest, right? And mark this as a pink, kind of a pink. It doesn't suits well. Mark it as a highlighted color yellow. Okay, looks good, right? Now switch back to the daily time frame and reset our chart. Okay, I think we have to keep it big here to be visible on the bigger time frame, right? Let's just make it like this, right? See, Now on daily time frame, okay, see, are you getting my point? This is the trap here. Are you getting my point? See, and if we extend this, you will notice this is the support zone here. See, this that looks like a support. In order to verify, you can switch back to the 4 hour time frame also. You will notice this thing simply here. See, this was the fake breakout here. This was the retest. This was the retest. Again, you will notice on 4 hour time frame there was a retest. Are you getting my point? See, this was the fake breakout here. Same thing here. After the fake breakout, it gave a breakdown, retested, again retested, and then fall down. How much is the fall? It's around like 150, 160 points. Are you getting my point? So this is what actually happened here also. See, this was the support zone, and this is the trap, guys. See, if I delete this, you will notice it took support from the same level. Are you getting my point? Right. Let's just delete this, and it's raining outside. Not good scenarios here, but okay, that's okay, right? It was a very high temperature environment before, like once a big back, right? Just once 1 week back, and now it's raining. It's a very cold outside. Anyways, fine with that. Let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame, reduce our box. I hope you got this right. We have not analyzed this on 4 hour time frame. Actually, yesterday that was our mistake. We didn't notice these things and we just directly jump onto the trade. But that was also a good sign because we had our analysis ready, right? That this has been buying moment. For this buying momentum, there might be a change, and there was so much fall, so big retracement was pending, price correction, time correction one pending, was pending, right? So we were in a process that, like, we were in a thought whether this will create this structure and then it will give a breakdown and it will continue to fall, right? For this momentum, we were trying to enter at here with a small quantity, not with the big quantity, right? And this trade worked very. Come back to the same point here, explaining the trade here. But anyway, so looks like there was a big daily time reset everything. Thing looks like a trap here, and market can continue its trend. But for this big momentum, there is a retracement in the market. There is again we need some retrace. You can see from bottom to top there was a one way rally of 100 plus points, right? For this momentum, at least 50% or 0.618%. So let's just switch back to the 4 hour time frame, and again I can see there are almost four full body candles, and there was a doji candle on 4 hour time frame, and there are two retracement candles, and each candle has wick from bottom, and the latest one candle has wick from top, right? So it's look like a mixed structure. There are buyers, there are sellers, they are still struggling. In these candles there are sellers, in these candles there was indecision candle, right? Let's just switch back to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, what we see, it looks like kind of this scenario here. Backing, see, it looks like a, okay, so this was the buying momentum, this is the retracement, and market can continue to rise according to the 4 hour daily time frame, according to the trap setup, because this is the trap here on a very large time frame, let's say weekly or daily time frame, right? Because this is the retest level for a major time, right? So let's just see here whether we get some opportunity here or not. Let's just open our Fibonacci tool here and mark some kind of a level, which is like this, and this is going to be like our buying area, right? I will specially mark as a fib buying area on higher time frame. I will delete this sale zone because it has not worked. I will delete this trap also. I will delete this Fibonacci also, right? Because we don't currently need this, right? So now I will delete this also. This was a short resistance here because of things, right? Because we know, you know, right? If I back to the 15-minute time frame, you will notice there was a wick here, right? So that's why we keep that level as a resistance, small resistance zone, right? But we were not trading at that level and leave it, right? So now what we see here, we see on hourly time frame there are continuous green candles, and now market is consolidating. Looks like it's making kind of a structure like this. It will slowly come back to our zone, and then it will give a breakout, and it will again continue to rise and hit this high, hit this. The reason why I said hit this high, because this is the latest high, and SL, because those who have sold at higher price, their trailing SL is at this level, so they will hit their trailing SL, and here they will come again new buyers, and the sellers also become buyers. The market will push up higher once the new high crosses, but here we are not taking entry on higher, right? And just go on check back our previous day live video, so that you will notice what are the retracement types, which trade setup we actually trade, right? For a brief, for this uptrend, we usually trade three scenarios. What are the scenarios? Up move, retracement, we take entry and it will go up. Up move, there will be a consolidation and there will be a trap. We'll enter at here after the break of structure, change of character, and we'll enter, keep our SL and then target. Second scenario. The third scenario, it will be like up move and it will slowly come back here. That will prime correction. It will come at our level. It will create some trap and then it will go. Same thing like here, right? So remember, guys, here I will explain you what this third scenario is working, right? Here, first scenario not working, second scenario not working because it's not creating any. See, this was the zone, but here it's not a zone. It's actually breaking the previous and doing some kind of a unsudden momentum, right? So it is breaking the low and again creating hammer candle on hourly time frame. Are you getting my point? See, this swing has been broken. See, notice this has been broken and it has created hammer candle. What does this says? It says it's a, right. That's why I told you third one will work for us. So wait here and we'll get some trap here and then we'll try to go up. Even on a higher time frame, you can also see, you can try playing, you can try this week hourly time frame, you can try this week. That's fine, totally fine, because see, 0.5 market can go from this level also, or this is 0.618 market can go from, right? You have to just, oh, right, are you getting my point? Now let's just switch back to the time frame, and it doesn't, I'm not getting any clear picture here, right? And on 15-minute time frame I'm also not getting any picture here, right? Now on shorter time frame, if I switch back, I am currently following one trend. See, downfall, retrace, downfall, retrace, downfall, and again downfall, and looks like this, right? Now what you can do is, because this is structure, mark Fibonacci from top to the latest. I will tell you, this was the high, this was the low. You see this 0.5618 level rejected from, and try some trade here. The reason why, with the 50% quantity, because we took the same trade here, guys. See, this was the trade we actually are trying to take with the less quantity. You can take this trade with the less. Back to the 5-minute time frame. Let's switch back to the 1-minute time frame. You'll notice why I'm telling you this. See, it will create a trap. It will give you confirmation. There is nothing. There is a change in character, but has been broken. Now this also broke. Went up, came down. This also broke. That means of trend. Maybe give us those. But if you go back and see, not even expecting everything. So in order to go up higher, it has to create some liquidity. It has to get some buys, right? It has to hit somebody. Just there should be four players in the market, right? What it will do, it, the SLs. I told you the retracement will hit 2 3 levels SL. First SL hit, second SL hit, third SL. Even if we can't consider, maybe market can take this. See, it took this SL. It was just simple as that, right? It was the small SL, and like this was small swing, small swing. The first SL is going probably at this. Second SL, if consider this, the red candle. There is SL pending here in the market. After this SL, market will go up. Are you getting my point? This is what happens in the market. If you follow correct analysis, you will get the setup. Now, got to know market will come here and hit this. That this doesn't means that you are going to short it here, place a sell above this, and you take this target 1:5. That is not needed, guys. You got an opportunity where here. You're getting my point. Here you got an opportunity. Your SL is going to like this high. Even you can consider this high also. But if you notice my recent trades, you always notice I keep SL below the previous high, not the current high. And you will notice your target, first target and second target 1:2 and 1:3. And here you will book your 75% quantity, and the rest with the trailing SL, I think you might get hit here. Probably you will book overall 1:2. Probably 1:2. Right, so overall you will book 1:2.5 as a target, and this is how your trade will look like, right? Again, if I delete this, now I see, okay, this is again big retracement, I mean big fall, right? So I can mark from this top till this high, and you will notice it falling from this level. So there is a catch also. See, It created a swing here. It created a breakout here. It invited buyers. There was a rejection level. After the buyers invite, it again fall down, it breaken down, and it again fall. Here also there is a catch. So if you are not confident in this trade, don't trick. Don't take the trade. Wait for another setup. Again, what you see, I see again one more fall. See, there was again a good downfall here. What I can do, I can again bring my Fibonacci here. Use this Fibonacci, and let's just see where you will get entry here. You see, you will get entry somewhere around here, and here you will hit your SL. Maybe probably at this level, SL is going to be like we have C here, and you will hit this 3 point SL in this market. Right? Are you getting my point? You will hit this 3 point SL. That's okay. You have to close the trade and you have to wait for the another setup. Are you getting my point? But before that, if you note clearly here, there was a breakdown, there was a breakdown, and there was a swing. Right? See, there was a this is the latest low, and this is the high. This high has been not crossed. Again, if you notice, this is the breakdown, this is the low here, and this is the high here, right? See, this is the high here. Again, it went up, it came down here, it created a kind of a swing here, and it gave a swing breakout. So if market wants to go down, there is a seller present only at this level. There is no seller present in between this. You see, there is no seller present in between. You notice here in this case, there is a seller present, seller present. It has confirmed 2 times. For this fall, there was a one seller at this level. At this level, there was one seller, and after that, there is. It means if market goes about this, it can fall from this level. It will not fall in between. It will just consolidate, then go up, go down. It will consolidate, and it like this. It will not fall. Right? Are you getting my point? The same thing happened here. If you know clearly, I will delete all the drawings here. We have a seller here at the same point here, right? And now we have a low break here, and we have seller here, and it went up, created a fake seller here. See, created a fake movement, went up, crossed the high. See, like this, it again invited sellers here, again it went up, and when it fall down, actually when it fall down exactly at the seller level, this was the selling level, and you see it has again broken the low also. See, it has again broken the low. That means you have to just change the way you think about them. It's not like a breakout, not like a breakout. It's like a you are understanding the market. Are you getting my point? You are understanding the market. Your psychology should be like this, to be like this, not like the everybody else, right? Are you getting my point? Let just not go where else. And okay, I can see here, will again notice, I told you there will be 3 to 4 cycles, and after that there will be a big retracement, right? Zoom into here, but the first move, second move, third move, but the low is not broken. So the third move, let's say this combinedly third move, first move, second move, third move, and there was a retracement. They took the SL. Are you getting my point? This was the big retracement. Are you getting my point? After this, are you getting my point? What happened across the market? Now you will notice again. See, there was a big fall. Here there is right. Again there was some consolidation. There first move, second move. After the third move, what we can expect here? Big consolidation, time correction like this. See, this is the big consolidation. Even you can consider this first move, second move, and third move, because it's falling from very high point, right? These are the big moves, right? I will delete all this, and let's just take a first move, third move, sorry, second move, third, first move. After this three move, it has to do some consolidation because the it hit the previous SL, and let's just mark this top till this side. You will notice it is rejecting from the same 0.5, 0.6. Are you getting my point? These are the simple hacks. These are the simple setups that you can try. Anyway, you have to take this setups with the less quantity because the trend is positive, right? The trend is positive. Our analysis saying we have to go with the positive trade, but we are not getting positive entries. We are getting some sale entries. So that's why I'm telling, right? Are you getting my point? Again, you will notice few things here. First move looks like there was a swing. First move, second move, third move. After third move, we can expect some price correction, time correction, a good price correction, time correction. Are you getting my point? See the high here. I will. This is the high. Array, what is the high? Low. So this is the first. This looks like a consolidation retracement. This is the second move. Let's break the previous low. So the retracement and again third move. First move. After this, I can expect kind of a channel pattern here, then breakdown. Are you getting my point? Or I can expect some kind of a movement, because you can, if you really see, you see this is the, let see, there is a one high here. I mean, there is a small swing here. It is respected, but there is no sell off coming from. We say this is not a valid. This is the valid because we got sharp fall here, right? So if market has to go up, it will hit, or it will come at this level, it will hit the SL, it will come between this zone and then it will fall. Are you getting my point? And if this is a buying trade, right, because the overall trend is positive, what market will do? Market will go like this. See, market going up, consolidating, again going up, it will hit this high, this, it will come in this region. Let's just play it like this. And then even if you got the sell entry, you can sell it here. If you got confirmation, your target should be at this level, because for this buying momentum there will be retracement at 0.5. Market will again create a new high, it will hit the SL if this is a buying trade. Otherwise it will continue to fall. So here you have to book 50% quantity. If market reverses, you took SL, you exit from the market. If market retested and again falls down, you book another 25% quantity. If market goes down and down and down, you keep trailing unless and until you hit 1:5 or 1:10, or as per your need, guys, right? Because it's just 20%, 25% quantity that you are holding with the trailing SL. That means you are not going to lose anything, right? You already have booked good profit. You are just risking a small amount of profit to make more profit from the profit, right? Happens. Back to the hourly time frame and continue our analysis. So this is what happened in the past 6 hours, let's say 6 to 7 hours, right? See, this is happened in the past like 7 hours, 7 to 8 hours. Are you getting my point? Now I told you we are not at a position where we will get some entry. We will try buying entry at this level, or we will try selling. It will try selling entry, and I have already explained where we are going to try the sell entry. So I have a swing high here, we have a swing low here, we have some kind of a confirmations here. Let's just call it as a Fibonacci selling area. Delete the Fibonacci, extend it bit here, switch back to the 5 minute time frame, and you will notice the same level which we marked previously without anything, right? See the selling zone we have already discussed. So we are going to sell it here like this. Let's see, after the confirmation, stop loss probability level, and target is going to be like which one? Mark the Fibonacci from this level till this level. You will get some buying here, and this is going to be like your targets. 0.5, almost 1 is to like 3.5, right? 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4. This is going to be like our target where we have to book the profit, because if this is the buying momentum, it will come back, retest, and then it will go up. Are you getting my point? So this is what actually we need to do in market. I will delete everything from here, guys. I think the entry here intacted, SL intacted, and target should be, and we'll keep waiting for this. Trading is like 90% waiting and 10% execution, because execution is very important, guys. You got an entry, you got a confirmation, but if you stay still in the market, you don't take entry, you are not a trader, man, right? You need to be have confidence in your setup, right? So let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame, and we have some kind of a Fibonacci buying area. So I will keep a buying setup here for a long trade, and SL is going to be like this 14 points, and target obviously it's going to be like at least this swing, which is like almost 1 is to 3. Same like here, see, because the trade sell trade which actually worked, and now we are looking for some kind of a buy trade with the 14 point SL, but targeting minimum 50 points here. Here also we tried capturing 50 points. Here also we'll try to capture 50 points. If it gives entry today, that's fine. If doesn't gives entry, we'll see you on the Monday, guys, right? So I think that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and we'll just see, guys, right? There was nothing. If nothing, then we can close the trade here, because we have already explained what we are going to do. Okay, just recap a few things here, guys. Just recap few things here. Keep till this, right? So currently we'll just recap on 15-minute time frame, right? Okay, this is the recap. So we have seen market is in heavy bullish, broken the previous two here, and now it is giving some retracement. So we are trying to get some trade on retracement on this fib buying area. If market comes here, creates a trap or creates kind of a consolidation, creates change of character, break of structure, change of structure, anything you prefer. If we create any scenarios here, we are going to buy at this level. SL will be below the swing here, and target will be the previous swing. The previous swing on higher time frame is like on 15-minute time frame here, so we will be targeting this. But before that, if we get 1 is to 2, we are going to book 50% profit at that level, and then we will be trailing our next 50% quantity. If we get 1 is to 3, we are going to book 25% quantity, and we will hold 25% quantity till our trailing SL get hits, or maybe probably we can keep trailing until market hits our trailing SL. So this is the first plan with the trend, and now we can see on a smaller time frame it is creating some kind of a sell up scenario, and market is about to reach Fibonacci buying area 0.5% level. So we can see for this downfall there will be some retracement, and there will be again fall. So at this level, if we get any trap, if we get any confirmation, if we get any candlestick confirmation with the small SL, we are going to take the sell entry with the small target of this. Let's switch back to the 5-minute time frame. We have already marked the levels here. Those who know, we have marked our Fibonacci levels here. From this top to the bottom, we are getting this Fibonacci selling area. In between this, if we get any confirmations, we are going to sell it here, and target will be yes support or the dynamic support which has created. Or we have marked this as a Fibonacci level, because if market reverses from this level, this level is going to be like the support. So that's why we are going to book our 50% or 70% profit at this level. And if market continues to fall till this level, we are going to book our full profit at level for the sale entry, because the overall trend is positive. So that's it for today, this guys. If you get chance to enter in these two trades, you can enter in these two trades. Otherwise you can avoid the trade. It's a Friday and there will be like very less momentum in the market. It will follow the trend, or it will just consolidate and create a trap, and then you will also get trapped here. So that's why I'm explaining you all these things. Get entry, trade. Otherwise you can close the training system and enjoy and just chill, guys, right? Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you on Monday. Bye bye.